Yeah.
We only have one cup for coffee. No, you believe that? Could be true.
Ah, isa lang daw yung ganun, no? Kailangan ng isa. Oo, isa lang nakalagay doon. Ah, sige.
She can understand me, is it?
Yeah. No, she understand you. Yeah.
But anyway, it doesn't matter. I see you, I got a complaint to you.
Yeah.
Because we can drink coffee later. Now, the other thing, we're going to go in the pool. What about the towels? They give you a towel up there?
Ah, oh, we can get towel from there then.
Oh, we have to use the same towels in our room. Can
So,
I have this then too?
dalawa.
It's only two for now, unless you want to join us. You cannot come, you're working. So, what do I do with this after? In my room or I give it to? Your room, sir. Yeah? I thought maybe, because generally in the hotel they say, oh, like a pool towels are different than the
Yeah,
room
that's
towels.
different.
But okay, if you're happy, I'm very happy too.
Okay, let's go
Right,
there.
so just one more cup we're going to need in our room. Not right now, little bit later.
Yeah.
Yeah, three.
Yeah.
Yeah. Thank you again.
Thank you po.
The spray, what do you use? What kind of smell is that? The spray you use here? What is that spray? Oh, this is just a air freshener. Is it regular? Yeah.
Nice.
This is the same room like the Look, I don't have table lamp. They have table lamp here. I don't have the table lamp.
Table lang.
Yeah, they got table lamp. No, this is same down with old.
Oh.
Oh yeah. Three is like this, huh?
Ah, but dalawa pala to. Ah, I see.
Oh really?
Ah, I see. They just connected it.
Wow. Oh, they joined it then.
They join it.
Can I see this room? Is it okay? Oh, so this is the new wing. New.
Okay, so this another room to.
Wait, this is new. Look at what you guys did. Look what you did. Okay. I like to see CR. That's my favorite place, Yeah, this is much better. Oh, look at that.
So they have like this.
Yeah.
And they have, yeah, it's nice. Oh, look at the ano, oh.
See, this is much
Yeah.
nicer, this one, yeah. Little bit small, but hey, this is what, king size bed?
Yes, sir.
King, right?
Yeah.
It's big.
It's called Victorial sofa because it
Huh?
has the sofa.
Oh, so this must be more expensive room then.
Yes.
How much expensive siya?
Yeah, because look, it has a sofa and
Ah,
everything.
that's why.
But this is nice though. It has TV.
Mabano yun sa cup niya, ma'am? Nasa taas kayo.
Nice.
Santa. Adi, may na lang daw. Oh, gamay ang gabi.
Even the cups are gray matching, gray cups.
Kung sakaling wala pa naman natatawag na lang kami.
Sige po.
Nice. What happened?
Kasi hanggang 7 lang po yung duty namin.
Oh.
Yeah.
Pero may namang ibang nakajote, no? Ah, okay. Sige po.
I mean, not that important because we're going to be upstairs and then then I can always call them again. But I was surprised because we were in room 2 or 3. I don't like to see her in water all this, so I complained. So now they moved to 3 or 3. Now one couple missing.
Nice view.
What about over there? So nice.
Yeah, okay.
Does it look like 5 feet, huh?
Yeah.
Come on, baby. What are you waiting for, baby? Don't be shy. If you can be shy one month. This is still hot like hot spring. Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on, guys.
No, one thing is nighttime with the lights and the lights.
Oh, it doesn't like it. Oh,
The
yeah.
lights same color. Same.
Yeah.
Remember I told you I had a jacuzzi?
Hmm.
I had jacuzzi changing colors. Now I use it. Oh boy. So sad.
Come on, Jano.
You don't want more?
Are you sure it's really?
See that?
Where's the champion? Come on, champion, show it your talent. Come on, let's swim.
Yeah, I can swim backwards.
So your swim is backward, huh?
Swim backwards. World champion just swim.
Oh.
Come in nighttime even if you don't want to go in the water. Don't get live.
Now it's your turn to swim. Trying to relax, no? You need to stretching. Okay, stretching first before you swim. Oh my God, really? That champion's going on.
Do you want to stretch? What do you want to stretch?
Are you going just to stretch? Are you going to swim?
Who's coming to save me?
Two 2,000 years later.
Come over here.
So this is vegan beef,
Oh,
soy
no
meat.
meat. Yeah, no
No,
meat.
beef, and then chicken.
Oh, I see.
And then you choose what do you want, and it has some standard sauces and
It's like,
Yeah.
standard
it's like a Subway style.
He used to, that's
Yeah.
what I asked him, I said, how do you know? He
And
said
then
he used to
you
run
choose
a
your-
Subway, so he has an idea.
Ah, I
Because was
see.
like, how do you know this thing from a lawyer?
Ah.
This thing.
Then you
Wow.
choose your vegetables.
Do you do tuna? No, I didn't see
We
that.
don't have tuna.
Yeah, I love tuna from Subway. I always buy that the tuna. Okay. So what is it you read?
So this is just opened recently. So this is what they have.
Everything.
Yeah.
You know, the Italian pepper wraps.
They have salad, Thailand pitoa, Korean, bibimbap, rice
I
bowl.
already ordered food over there. And we will do this tomorrow. We'll come here tomorrow. And look at the kitchen. It's very. The system is very easy.
We'll get something that, the chicken.
Wow. Looks healthy.
This is the only thing that's heated up, the cleaning press,
Yeah.
and then the meats. And everything else we have.
Looks healthy. Oh, it has also kimchi, huh?
Yeah.
If you like
Oh, yeah?
with kimchi, it has kimchi. Yeah.
I see what that is.
And you have, what is milk tea? It has milk
Uh,
tea.
We have coffee and,
Yeah.
and we have
Oh.
shakes.
Oh, shakes.
Shakes.
I see.
I like the cucumber lemon shake. Cucumber
Everything is really
Hmm.
very simple.
and no added sugar.
Yeah.
So everything's simple.
Hello.
We don't do anything
Wow.
with gas. Everything's done with electric. So we don't even need gas.
Yeah. For safe.
Yeah, it's safer.
Yeah.
So just
Yeah, looks
the
clean.
staff is already trained and everybody how to operate, how to use
Yeah.
it.
And the other one's more of a cafe style.
Mhm.
So the first one is bigger than this one, is it?
Similar.
Location? Oh, okay. Same thing.
Location of the other one's probably better.
Yeah, it's close to the university, sir.
Yeah, but
Okay.
the other one looks more like a cafe, and we have seating inside and
Yeah.
outside.
Boss, are you coming out?
Yes,
the
nice.
the
It
lady
has
boss,
this.
you know.
Mhm.
Thank you.
New York City, huh?
You just opened this recently, no?
Ah, so this is the name.
Part of-
Wall Street Wraps. I
Yeah,
see.
because I always follow your post. You know, I always see something.
So we are here at that restaurant. It's called El Espanol. El Espanol. It's Antique Spanish cuisine. Ayan. So,
He's a friend of ours.
so we meet our friends of ours here. So we're gonna try this fancy restaurant. So let's go inside.
Dirty Harry?
There you go. Without the looks and the gun. Dirty Harry.
But if anything, everybody will call you sir.
I'm telling you, every corner you go, I live in a condo,
Sir,
every
sir.
minute the security guards and the girls and everything, and I tell them, say, stop calling me sir, it's been already 8 years every time. Okay sir, still sir. Eh? Okay sir, they're still gonna call me sir. I'm like, okay.
You know, that's a distance in between Havana and Key West. It's full of pork, vegetables, cheese, and they have 3 sauces. Cheese sauce. I mean, try.
Man, it looks so appetizing already.
Try. I mean, you split into 4 and then get the sauce. So good.
I like the way he presented it also. You know?
The sauce.
Nice. Oh, the jalapeno. Ah.
You cut the fork.
So yeah, running something like this is really, any business is tough. So I was thinking to do some business before, and then oh God. And then Corona hit.
Easy
that's
to
it.
cut, it's good.
Yes.
The cost to do it though is very low.
Is it?
That's the thing.
That's it. Yeah.
And also the competition is not. What have you been doing here then? What do you
Over here?
You like to?
No, we are here in English. Nothing really.
You like to do?
Oh, nothing. We just come out. What did
How
we
to
do?
get away?
Yeah, exactly. That's what it is really. Because what did we really do? Nothing much. I mean, yesterday we did pool, right? Swimming pool, I think. Yesterday we went to the pool in our hotel. Went to SM Mall before. And then we came and went to Philly's Bar, Walking Street.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. So nothing much in a day. 1 or 2 friends. Nothing. And they won't even tell you they did not come. Now we have no guest. Yeah, now we have no guest. So it's only us cutting the cake. You understand? So that happens too with us, you know?
It's funny.
Yeah.
Yeah, it happened.
Yeah. So
We had interviews. People come late to interviews.
how bad is that? Right? What the
And
impression?
one person told me, "Oh, the traffic was really bad." It's always bad, right?
You
So
live
this is
here,
what
you
I-
know the traffic.
So this is what I said. I said, "Did the earth grow last night?"
Isn't it?
Because then I can understand.
Yeah.
And they said, "What do you mean?" I said, "Did the earth grow?" So the actual
They're
distance.
not going to understand
So the
way we talk.
distance from your house
Yeah.
to the store,
Yeah.
did it
Yeah,
grow?
overnight it just
If
expanded.
it got bigger, I can understand. But if
Yeah.
it didn't get bigger, it's the same distance. So if you come to an interview late, how are you going to open the store on time?
That's what I'm saying. That is very,
How
very
you
bad
gonna open the
impression.
store and stuff?
But you know, that's how they are, yeah.
Indians are not like that, though, right?
I don't think so.
I don't
Yeah.
think so at all, right? Oh, thank you.
Yes, thank you. No, I don't think so because we believe in work ethics. You know,
Yeah.
that's how we are successful. If we start playing around also like other people, then who would want us? So yes, you know, so we generally are, you
Let's
know.
come with the pool.
This is what sweet? No, it's garlic. Oh, you don't like it, sir? Really? You eat garlic. You be
It's
okay.
garlic, yeah.
Yeah, you okay. Sweet.
So
It's garlic.
it has a garlic flavor.
Oh, I love garlic bread.
Me too.
Yeah, I love it.
This is like mukbang.
Mukbang?
Yeah.
What is that?
It's crunchy.
Oh.
Mukbang.
Yeah.
Mukbang.
Ito is mukbang.
Pastas,
Okay.
3 different tastes. This is tortellinis, this is gnocchis,
Okay.
this is the lamb, this is polenta.
Mhm.
Okay. Okay.
We forgot to take picture.
The what?
That's good.
Forgot what? I mean, his presentation is nice, right? The
It's
way
good,
he.
yeah. The food is really good.
And this is your penne pesto, sir. Your
That's
favorite?
That's my favorite.
Really?
Okay, dig in.
What is this called?
Penne.
Oh, penny. Yeah.
Penne
Yeah.
pesto.
Yeah.
Pesto.
That's looks
You
good.
take some sauce also. I like this. What do you call it? Spicy stuff.
How much are you?
Roughly 2,000 a night.
Oh, it's not bad. At all.
Yeah. Oh no. There's so much competition over here with the hotels, isn't it? So yeah. Roughly two. Prime Asia was more. That one was more. Prime Asia was more, but it was a nice hotel. And we last time I booked. It comes with a what do you call the shower with what do you call it's all what do you call it?
Like a glass.
Yeah.
shower,
Yeah. I don't know what the word they use it, but it's like no coverage. You can see whoever is inside. So we don't. I mean, we know each other, but that's how they made it over there. That you bring a woman. Like I joke with her. I said this is good for somebody who comes over here and he picks up a woman. He doesn't know if he's a woman or if it's a lady boy. Wait for her to take shower and he's going to say, holy crap, what is this I got? What is this
Bigger
I
than
got?
mine.
Yeah, that's what I always say. I said, really? This is bigger than mine, man. What is this?
In Thailand, that is difficult to.
When you look my way, it gave me shiver. It's like I've waited all my life. When you said my name,